what's up everybody? Today we're going on a small road trip. It's just a one-day trip. We're going to the southwest of Belgium, actually just next to the German border. We're going to visit lakes, castles, waterfalls, actually the biggest waterfall in Belgium, and we might even cross the border to go to a small village in Germany. Okay, I just picked up my friend. Now we're ready to go. Say hi to Raf.
Hello people.
We just arrived at Lac de la Gileppe. We're going to have a look now to find a good spot to make some videos and take some good pictures. Let's go! Look at this view. Okay guys, this was it for Lac de la Gileppe, and now we're going for lunch. We didn't find lunch yet, but on the way we found this beautiful view. It's the highest point in Belgium. This was Signal de Botrange. I'm not really impressed actually. We are here at 694 meters altitude. We're on our way now. Hopefully we can find some lunch now because I'm really hungry. Okay, finally we found lunch. I bought some French fries. Oh damn, the ketchup is all messed up. French fries, which are actually Belgian fries, as you can see. And let's eat a little bit now. Okay guys, lunch is almost finished. We are already at the parking of Reinhardstein castle. When the lunch is completely finished we will have a look, and hopefully it's worth it. We're on the way to the highest waterfall in Belgium. I saw already some pictures and it's not quite impressive, but it's 60 meters high. So let's see what it's all about. And it's very steep to go down here. We made it to the highest waterfall in Belgium. Let's see. And this is it. Not as impressive as I thought, but this is the highest waterfall. Now we go to the castle. hiking up for about 10 minutes now, and we just saw a sign. Apparently there's a dam also here, so first off we will go and see the dam, and then probably the castle. Okay guys, we finally made it to the dam after about 30 minutes walking. Let's have a look. Okay guys, finally we arrived at the Reinhardstein castle. We arrived in our final destination, Monschau in Germany. It's actually just across the border, and I hear it's a very nice small city. Well, actually it's not a city, it's more like a village. We will see if there's something nice to see here, take some pictures, and maybe have a local beer, because Raf is craving for a beer, so maybe we can try something good here. This concludes our trip from today. We're drinking a, what is it again? A Sikkel Theodor König Dunkel beer, something from around here. Cheers!
Cheers.